there are many sentences in your handout. And I would like you to look to those sentences of mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. While I'm writing this, Brother Muhammad, can you see in the handout what page it is, brother? 1415, huh? I come to one more question before I go further. Brother Abdul Samad, you said, if you had only Masjidu Rasuli, that construction is incorrect. Masjidu Rasuli is not correct. You will have to say Masjidur Rasuli. Are you with me? What will you say? Masjidur Rasuli. Yeah? Because if that is your mudaf, mudaf ilayhi, then we are talking about that particular masjid of the Rasul. You will say Masjidur Rasuli. As soon as you brought Allah, and the Rasul is going to become mudaf, we cannot have al. I cannot say Masjidur Rasulillahi. It has to be Masjidu Rasulillahi. Why? If I were to write down only this one, this much, brother. Masjidu Rasuli. What is this, brother? Mudaf ilayhi. Now I want to say masjid of the Prophet of Allah. So I add Allah here at the end. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. Because see, if you say Masjidur Rasuli, it is correct. But as soon as you want to make this into mudaf, then it cannot have al. Are you with me? It cannot have al. Now you will say Masjidu Rasulillahi. Do you follow why? No al? Because it is becoming a mudaf from here.
Okay, but a mudaf can also be a majroor?
Yeah, if it is in the chain.
Okay. So
Huh?
mudaf is never definite. Is that what you mean?
Mudaf cannot have al.
So that means it can't be definite.
It will be definite by its situation. She's asking mudaf cannot be definite. I say mudaf is definite by its situation. See, here is kitabu. Is it definite, indefinite? You will look to the mudaf ilayhi. If the mudaf ilayhi is definite, then the mudaf is definite. Do you see? What is the sign of definite? Al. Do you see al here? You don't see. But then the question is it definite or not? Where will you go to check? Okay? Now here, kitabu talibin. Is kitabu definite? I don't know. Nothing is given here. But when I look here, then it tells me that this is indefinite. Because the mudaf ilayhi is indefinite, this became indefinite. Now look at this, brothers and sisters. Again, I want you to draw your attention. Masjidu, Rasuli, Lahi. Are you with me? Masjid doesn't have al. Rasul doesn't have al. But the last mudaf ilayhi has al. Because that mudaf ilayhi is not going to become mudaf again. So you, at the end, you have the final definite noun. Shall I repeat again? Masjid doesn't have al. Rasul doesn't have al. But the Allah has al. Why Allah has al? Because that is the end of our chain. Nothing going further. If there was something further, then even that noun will also be without al. Are you with me? So, because this is definite, Sister Abi, this is definite. And because this is definite, then are we doing algebra here? Yes. See, it's like mathematics. Okay, now I give you a sentence. And page number, did you say 14, 15? You know, there are many beautiful examples of mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. And you should do it. Try to analyze them. In a simple way, you know, mudaf, mudaf ilayhi, mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. It will give you extra understanding and practice. Brother, Babu, what did I write, brother? Babu, Baiti, Ibni, Khadimi, Mudarrisi, Maksurun. Okay. What is Babu? I know that. But have the sound. Mubtada, mashallah, zindabad. Huh? May Allah bless you. May increase you now. Mubtada. Huh? And then it is mudaf. Where is mudaf ilayhi? Are you with me, Sister Ambi? Mudaf ilayhi is baiti. Then there is something going on. So then it is again mudaf. And where is ibni? Mudaf ilayhi. Again there is something going on. It is mudaf. And then khadimi, mudaf ilayhi. Again something is going on. Then the khadimi is mudaf and al-mudarrisi, mudaf. Now al-mudarrisi came at the end. There is no further chain of mudaf ilayhi. Last of it became definite. If this is definite, is this definite? Yes. If this is definite, is this definite? Yes. Is this definite? Yes. And then is this definite, Babu? Yes. Everything is definite. Because you see the final mudaf ilayhi being definite. Okay. Further? Okay. Now you tell me where is the khabar? Maksurun. So what is the actual sentence, brother? Al-Babu Maksurun. What is the actual sentence? Al-Babu Maksurun. दरवाजा टूटा है इसको समझाने के लिए इतना झगड़ा कर दिया. Son, now you try to do translation in English using of. The door of the house of the son of the servant of the teacher is broken. Now this is just a example. We won't come across this kind of sentences. Again say the translation, brother. The door of the house of the son of the servant of the teacher is broken. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now this is just an example. But we will have lots of examples coming. So inshallah you will be able to master it. Brother, the thing is that this mudaf ilayhi concept, one has to do a lot of reading in the book and write. And write so that this concept is fresh in your mind all the time. Okay? So we end it here, inshallah. And you will see page 14, 15, 16 in the hand.